So, hello and best regards from Bangkok. Today, a very special video message which I like, or better, which I need to share with all of you. I'm not much of an influencer and I'm more into making jokes about those boys and girls who take us everywhere with them just to talk about the very important things in life, like eating, makeup, outfits, and living out the very special profile neurosis. But now I will also report daily about a completely new pilgrimage route, the Jalan Emas, the Golden Pass. This is one of two highly energetic and spiritual caminos in Bali of around 250 kilometers. The other one, the Jalan Hati, the Heart's Way, is more in the level 2 category. I'm working on it. So what it is about? Look, since 2016, we have been buying land in the heart of Bali for a beautiful project called the Garden of Life. You can find a video link to it in the comments. It's full in harmony with the villages, with the farmers of the region, and in harmony, of course, with nature, especially the famous rice terraces. And we have two main concerns: giving back and healing. In other words, all investments made do support wonderful charity projects in the region, and our visitors to the resort that is currently being built have access to around 200 of the best healers on the planet. The first phase, the Spirit Hills Bali, has just started and is expected to be completed already by end of next year. And anyone can participate and receive highly attractive dividends through tokenization, spend free vacations every year with the family right in the heart of Bali, and enjoy many other benefits. So, listen, after now 34 years of full-time crazy network marketing, I would like to bring Bali, the pilgrimage, and this beautiful project closer to all of you. From Thursday this week onwards, if you want, I will take you along, as the saying goes, yes, to the individual stages every day via Instagram and Facebook. It starts in the eastern side of Bali in Kandi Daza, and then it goes all along at the north coast side in the north, and then more or less over the volcano all the way to the center of Bali, to Tabanan, where the Garden of Life is created. So it's Bali from the not so well known and crowded perspective. Ronnie, who came up with the idea together with Mario back in 2016, will join me later, and we will walk the final stages together. This will be really big, guys. It will be very special, and with the support of the government, the villages, the PR, we are going to establish step by step a kind of way of St. James, or let's say, the current quality of time. By the way, I've already walked the way of St. James, and you can still order my book. Enlightenment can also be fun, from the current edition, where, by the way, 100% of the volume of the sales go to an orphanage in Zanzibar, which my dear wife Steffi looks after. Link to in the comments below. So, follow me if you haven't already, and get short and entertaining daily reports about each stage. I will also explain more about the Garden of Life there and share with you the efforts and experiences and certainly all the funny things about each day's stage. So you got my strategy already, right? By publicly announcing my plan, being an anti-sports guy and a walking hater, to make it a kind of impossible for me to give up. So friends, we live, unfortunately, in very special times, geopolitically, but also spiritually. And it really takes a few crazy people with visions to maybe change a little something, to improve it a bit, or even just to inspire. And I hope that I and my fantastic partners in this project will succeed. But you will find out. It starts on Thursday. You can also find the links to the channels on Instagram and Facebook in the comments below. I look forward. I look forward to your company, to interact with you and to see you again from Thursday onwards when things really get going. That's it. Bye, still from beautiful Thailand, and see you soon in beautiful Indonesia, Bali. All right, guys, take good care and cheerio.